Hey guys, welcome back to Beat Beauty. In today's video I'm going to be using Nudestix to create a bronze smoky eye look. So I've been wanting to try out the Nudestix line for absolutely ages. It's a really beautiful product line. You've probably seen it. It's in Sephora, it's in loads of other places. And it's the brainchild of two sisters and their mother. And it's such a gorgeous story. So basically the mother's a chemical engineer and the daughters and the mother kind of felt that there was this gap in the market for a product line that's kind of really easy, on the go, but also that's just like a natural makeup line. It's going to give you that natural look that just kind of accentuates your natural beauty. I love that ethos when it comes to makeup, so I was totally in from the get-go. I was so overwhelmed when I got sent this beautiful pouch of lip and eye products. So I've been testing them out for the last week and I've come up with loads of different looks. But the one that I really loved was this bronze smoky eye look that I tried out. So I wanted to share that with you in the tutorial today. So without further ado, I will walk you through exactly how to create the look, and I promise you it's super easy and takes no time at all. Okay, so to start off with, I have got a completely bare face, so please don't judge me too hard. And so I'm going to start off with a little bit of a primer, and I'm going to use just a little bit of Smashbox Primerizer. This is their Photo Finish Primerizer. And I just started using this. I really like it because it's a primer and a moisturizer. And I've got quite dry skin, so that really works for me. So I'll just work that all over the face to prep the skin. Next, I'm going to apply a really simple base, and I'm just going to use the Tint de Soleil by Colour Science. And this is just one that I really love at the moment. It's a great daytime base because it has SPF in it. And it also has a really beautiful sort of medium coverage, which is sometimes quite hard to find in a tinted moisturiser. Plus, I love the sort of warm shade that it comes in. It really sort of brightens up the face. And particularly since I've gone blonde, I feel like I need a little bit more warmth in my complexion. So I'll just get a couple of pumps of that and smooth it over the face. I'm just using my fingertips. I'm also just going to prep my lips for the lip colour with a little bit of balm, and at the moment I'm just madly in love with the By Terry Balm de Rose. This is a teeny tiny travel size that I keep in my handbag and have with me everywhere. It's really rich and it tastes like roses. It's absolutely gorgeous. And that'll just prep your lips for any lip colour that we're going to apply. And then just to warm up the face a little bit more and just define the features a little bit, I'm going to use a bronzer, and I'm going to use the Beauty Liberator Loose Crystal Minerals. And it comes with this gorgeous little kabuki brush. So I'm just going to blend that across the entire face and then a little bit more on the cheekbones. Just get a little bit of the product, tap off excess. So now I've applied my base, I've prepped my lips, I've bronzed myself up a little bit. I'm ready to start with the actual makeup look, and I'm going to use the Nudestix Nude Artist Box just to create the eye look. And this has 5 beautiful products inside. You've got a brow product, and then you've got 4 different shades for the eyes that you can use as liners or shadows, so it's really multi-purpose. You've also got this adorable teeny tiny sharpener here as well. So I'm going to start off by doing the brows, just because I'm a bit of a brow obsessive and I just like to start with the brows, so everything else just looks a bit more polished as you go along. So this brow product is a brow stylus pencil, so it's got a really lovely sharp edge. It's going to help to fill in any gaps. And then on the other end you have a little gel with a brush. So perfect just to put the eyebrows in their place. So I'm going to start with the pencil and just work it through any areas that need help. Oh, and by the way, there's an adorable little mirror inside the tin. Really handy. And I'm just going to get my gel and just work it through and perfect the eyebrows. Now I'm going to apply my eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the Magnetic Luminous Eye Colour, and this is in Burnish. There's another beautiful shade in this kit as well that's called Nudity, but I just really like this Burnish shade for the bronze smoky eye look. So you just apply this stick straight onto the eye, and just apply it all over the lid. Super, super easy. I'm just going to blend it a little bit on the brow bone. I think immediately that just adds interest to the eyes. So you could literally leave it there, pop on a bit of mascara and you're good to go. But I'm going to make it a little more dramatic today. Then I'm going to get the pencil and apply a little bit underneath the eye. And then I'm going to get the brown shade, which I believe is called Smoke. And I'm just going to add a little bit more drama just under the eye. I'm becoming more and more of a fan of like accentuating underneath the eye. I don't know why. I mean, it's quite on trend to have that upside down eyeliner look, but I just really, really like it at the moment. I think it's just something a little bit different. So there you go. And then I'm going to get my black shade, and this is Night. And I'm going to apply just a little bit in the waterline on the upper eyelid, just to add a tiny bit of drama. I don't want to do both because I don't want it to be too dramatic, so I'm just going to do a little bit up above, and it can be a bit tickly. I often see makeup artists using this technique just to add a pop of drama. You don't really know that it's there, but it does just add that little something. So I already absolutely love that look as it is. I haven't even put my mascara or my liquid liner on yet, but these products are just really, really easy to use. I love them. So next up I'm going to apply the eyeliner, and this might be my favourite thing that I've tried out of all their products actually. Technically this isn't a stick, but you know, I don't want to be a stickler about it. This is an amazing liquid liner. It's called the Rock and Roller Easy Eyeliner Ink. And I mean, it comes in your classic black, but I really enjoyed testing out their bronze shade. This is called Bronze Patina. And it just has this really, really innovative applicator that's a little tiny roller ball. You can see that. And you pop it into a little ink pot. And then you give it a shake. And then it should shake up the pigment and make sure that it's evenly on the applicator. And then I'm just going to use my little trusty mirrored lid. And then I'm just going to apply it in a very subtle bronze wing. I'll start with the wing. And then I'm just going to line the eye. Really easy with this. Then you just want to make sure that both sides are even. Okay, so now that my eyeliner is complete, I am going to just apply some mascara just to really, really finish off the look and just open up the eyes. And I'm just using one that I have in my makeup bag anyway. It's the Brazen Mascara by Mehron. And I just love it because it's a really natural but sort of volumized look that I think will go really well with this subtle bronze smoky eye. So I'll just apply a couple of coats on the lashes. So that's the eye look done, and what I like to do after I've finished any eye look is just apply a little bit of concealer where I need it. I like to wait just in case you get any product falling down or mascara under the eyes, whatever. It's always good to apply it afterwards. So I'm going to use the Amazing Cosmetics Amazing Concealer. This is a teeny tiny travel size that I have in my makeup bag. A little goes a long way with this, so I'm just going to get a little bit of that. And just again apply it with my fingers. This is the medium beige shade in case you're interested. So I'll just apply that under the eyes. I love these little mirrors, they're so cute. And I might just apply just a tiny bit on the brow bone, like that. And then I'll apply concealer anywhere else that I feel needs a little bit more perfecting, like around the nose, for example. And then on any blemishes or anything. My eye look is finished. I'm just going to apply a very, very simple lip and cheek just to complement it. I don't want to try and compete with the bronze smoky eye. So I'm going to use one of the sticks from the Nudestix Nude Artist box. And it's the Love Me Nudes collection. And it's so cute. It comes in this gorgeous little tin, which has some original artwork on it. But also, every time you basically buy one of these kits, $1 from each sale goes to a charity called Love is Louder. And how cute is that? I love that idea that you're kind of giving back when you buy a beautiful product that I think everyone wants to have in their life anyway. So this is a collection of 6 different lip shades. There are some beautiful nudes in there to suit pretty much every complexion. And the other thing I really love is that you've got different kind of formulations in here. You've got matte, it's called their Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil. You've got the Lip and Cheek Balm, which is a gel consistency. And then you've also got a kind of a satiny finish stick as well. So there's a different kind of formula for everyone, and there's different nude shades for everyone. I've tested them all out and I found some of them suited me better than others. And the one that really stood out for me was this one, Alley. And I just think this one looks really, really pretty with a bronze eye look. Again, you have the adorable teeny tiny sharpener in here as well. So I'm just gonna get this gel color lip and cheek balm, and I'm just gonna apply it to the lips. So easy. That's the great thing about this brand. You just line the lips. And then you're just gonna fill in the rest of it. And it feels really smooth and velvety when you apply it. Absolutely love that. And then I'm just going to use the exact same shade on my cheeks because it's a gel consistency. It creates a beautiful little dewy look, and you know it's going to complement the lip because it's the same shade. So just a couple of little swipes and then again blend with the fingers. Just give you little rosy cheeks. I mean, that really couldn't be simpler. This, of all the products, is probably the best one to just have in your handbag. You can throw it on during the day if you just want to add to your lips, or if you want a little bit of colour in your cheeks. If you're anything like me, if I don't have a blush in my bag, I kind of freak out because I can look really kind of pasty without a blush. So I absolutely love these little multi-purpose sticks. So that's it. That is the bronze smoky eye look using Nudestix. And I think I've made it pretty clear how easy it is to use these products. They are so user-friendly and you kind of get an immediate effect. They have some quite sort of bold, beautiful metallics in there. You've got some bolder lip shades than I've used today, and you literally swipe them on and you're good to go. From now on, I think I will permanently have one of these sticks in my handbag at all times, just for a little touch up on the go. I am totally a convert. So if you want to find out more about any of the products that I've talked about in today's tutorial, the Nudestix or any of the other products, then go onto the blog on beatbeauty.com. And if you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe to Beat Beauty so I can keep you updated with all my latest beauty videos. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.